Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the model for your image generations on Adobe Firefly. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to adobe.com, log into your Adobe account, navigate to Firefly. If you can't find the app, use that search bar here. If that's the first time you're accessing Firefly, and start it or launch it for the first time so that it may be added to your list of apps here or there. So once you're inside the image generator here on Firefly, guys, what you want to do is, let me just navigate back, click into plus new here, select image, and then what you want to do is navigate to either one of your already created images through your generation history or create a new one. So if you, for instance, create a new image or give the artificial intelligence the prompt, enter your prompt here, click into prompt to the left, enter your prompt here, describe what you would Adobe Firefly like to create for you based on your input information like the style of the image and so on and so forth. But before you click into generate here to start the image generation process, click into the drop-down menu and choose one of these models, like for example GPT image 2 from, I guess it's by OpenAI. Then we got various Gemini models, Nano Banana Pro, Flux, and so on and so forth. So you may go with any of these. For me, it was Gemini 3.1 selected as the default. So it may be necessary that you switch to another one if needed. And yeah, that's it. Click into generate, and after that, the given image will be generated. You may switch between the generate tab here at the top to read through your conversation with the artificial intelligence. You will see your prompt here, and you may be redirected to the editing panel here. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.